Want to make your junk journal pages look more beautiful without buying lots of expensive supplies? Here are 10 easy junk journal embellishments you can make at home. Number 1. Tea-stained paper. Take plain paper and stain it with tea or coffee to create an aged vintage look. You can use it as a background page, a journaling spot, or tear it into smaller pieces for layering. Number 2. Torn paper pieces. Tear the edges of old book pages, scrapbook paper, or printable pages. Torn edges instantly make a page feel softer, older, and more handmade. Number 3. Decorated tags. Tags are one of the easiest embellishments to make. Add flowers, labels, lace, ribbon, or a small image. You can use them for decoration, journaling, quotes, or hidden notes. Number 4. Paper doilies. Paper doilies add a soft romantic touch. Use them behind tags, inside pockets, or as a delicate layer under your focal point. Number 5. Fabric and lace ribbons. Small strips of fabric, lace, or ribbon. Add texture and movement. Tie them to tags, glue them to the side of a page, or use them as soft page tabs. Number 6. Mini pockets. You can make simple pockets from paper scraps, envelopes, book pages, or printable papers. Pockets are perfect for holding tags, notes, photos, and tiny keepsakes. Number 7. Wax seals. Wax seals add an elegant vintage feeling. Use them on envelopes, journal cards, pockets, or as a beautiful finishing detail on a page. Number 8. Dried flowers. Pressed or dried flowers bring nature into your journal. They add beauty, texture, and a personal handmade touch. Number 9. Clustered ephemera. Take a few small pieces like tickets, labels, stamps, flowers, and paper scraps, and layer them together into one little decoration. These clusters are perfect for filling corners or adding detail to a page. Number 10. Charm clips. Add a small charm, paper clip, safety pin, ribbon, or bead to create a removable decoration. It makes the journal feel interactive and special. Now bring everything together. Mix paper, tags, pockets, lace, flowers, and little details to create a page that feels layered, personal, and full of story. Start simple, use what you already have, and enjoy the process. For more printable junk journal kits and beginner ideas, check the links below. Happy journaling!